What's up, you guys? It's Vic's Guns here, back in another video. Today's video, we're about to go to the gun range here with my cousin Edgar. We're about to go to the shooting range. We got a couple guns in there. I don't know if y'all can see. We got the big box and the big box over there. And yeah, stay tuned, guys, and we'll catch you here in a minute. It's about like a 30-minute drive, so we'll catch you here in a minute, guys. You guys, we finally made it here. Metal Ridge Outdoors. My boy got the case. My case. We're about to see what kind of stuff they got in here. But catch you here in a minute, guys.
How you guys doing?
Doing good.
Have you both shot here before?
Nah, first time.
First time?
Yes, sir.
Get you on the waivers then. You guys can set your guns.
Oh, the waivers.
We
We already did the waivers.
Where's the wait to go outdoors?
She said that way, right?
Yep.
Okay.
So down this hall, there's gonna be an exit sign.
It's a 25. It's good.
Okay. We can squeeze in over there. They get bigger left to right. They're bigger from the left and get smaller coming to the right. Yeah. That sounds like fun. You can go get targets there inside.
Like the paper target?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought we were gonna get them out here. Should we get them inside?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's fine.
This is actually, you could use these if you'd like.
Mhm.
These are left them. So
That's fine.
yeah, you can do whatever with them.
Yeah. I thought he was gonna do it for us.
5 and 6, right?
Yeah, 5 and 6. I mean, there's already papers there though.
One in the middle.
Yeah. To the bottom. Which one are you going? You going for 5, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh yeah. Don't shoot the wood.
Alright.
Is this gonna be funny? What? Hop over and get the steel wheel.
What?
Oh, loud.
Oh, really?
You can feel the wave.
Your bullet's hitting me.
Huh?
Bullet's hitting me.
Hitting me?
Hitting me.
For real?
Yeah, we know. It's already loaded?
Yeah. Hang on one.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
It's on safety.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I told you it's on
Oh,
safety.
that's one.
Bruh.
I know.
Damn, you shot dirt.
Huh?
You shot dirt.
For real?
You go?
Too high, too low?
Go like a little bit to the right. Like, it'll be good.
Yeah, I had a bullet.
Dang. I'm gonna go buy some more.
¿Tengo tienes?
Nah. Unless you wanna go shoot the pistols right now.
You want to shoot?
Let me just.
Aim behind the table.
Okay. Shit.
Yeah. Guns are an expensive hobby. Most of my paychecks go right back to the store. Jam.
Hey, Jan.
Yep.
What the hell?
22s are
Yeah.
known to jam, especially in the pistols.
Oh, okay.
Is it brand new?
Yeah.
It's gonna take a bit to break in.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry, keep firing.
Hey, show them the.
Wanna shoot it?
Show them the sear release. You know what I'm talking about?
No.
No? All right. What you do, okay, the way I have to do it, come back, pull the trigger, Hold it. Act like you just shot the gun.
Oh, you're talking.
And it's going to sight. Okay, listen. Just slowly come forward. Hear that
The
click?
trigger reset.
Then stop. And then you're only going right here instead of coming all the way back with the trigger. You see what I mean?
Oh, okay.
So stop where it clicks, and you'll feel it when you're shooting. See, then it's right here. Boom. Target.
Oh, okay. No, yeah.
That's
Thank
what
you.
you're talking about. That was.
Shit. You got hollow point, dude? What's up?
Just lightning.
Oh, it's lightning?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I gotta get you guys inside now.
You go back and powder it?
Yep.
Hell yeah. We got wet, guys.
Holy soap.
Oh, yeah. Let me take out the earplugs. Woo. Jeez. These are nice. Look, I want like these little, that little Venom sight. That would look nice. It's really clean. Damn, they got a shitload, guys. Look at the little, they're like from Origins, from Zombies.
Yeah.
You ever played Origins, guys? Zombies BO2.
You can sell your guns.
It looks like it here. Yeah.
Sell your guns there.
Jeez.
Yeah, Tommy gun your favorite.
Oh, yeah, that's the one I want. I'm gonna get that, guys. Mark my words. Mark my words, guys. Are these suppressors?
Yeah.
I thought they were legal. Well, I mean, I think you gotta have a special permit.
Where's compensator?
Yeah.
What's compensator?
How much does a Tommy gun cost? Wanna know? Cause like,
I
and
don't say.
Lufkin, they cost like. Wanna ask that guy. Man, look at this big ass gun, guys. I don't think a video is.